to my channel, Kharis Kreations. I'm Simeon. Like I told us on the other channel, Africa TV. Every of our tutorial henceforth will be uploaded here on Kharis Kreations. So, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, Kharis Kreations. And do not unsubscribe from Africa TV because all the content there still remains and I'll be there to answer every of your comments on Africa TV. Also, you'll be seeing more of me in another dimension on Africa TV. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Kharis Kreations for fashion tutorials while you do not unsubscribe from Africa TV. So here we'll continue from where we stopped.